Hey guys, what's up? It's Spunk Dude here, and I will be doing a Visual Basic 2010 tutorial. This will also work in the 2008 version, so go ahead and pick version what you want. Alright, so you're gonna create a new project, alright, and you're going to set it out like this. You'll need 2 labels, 2 text boxes, 2 buttons, sorry, and that's it. Make sure this is button 1, make sure that's button 2, make sure this is text box 1 and that's text box 2. Make one of the labels send text every, and semicolon after that, and put a small text box in between it, which is text box 1, and after that, seconds. Alright, you also need a timer. So before we start any coding, click on timer and set the interval to 1000. It will be set at 100, so make sure it's 1000. Alright, which is basically 1 second in Visual Basic. And make sure it's enabled equals false there. Okay, so we are going to start coding. Double click timer 1 and go send keys dot send open bracket text box 2 dot text. Make sure it's text box 2 dot text. Send keys dot send open bracket apostrophe curly brackets enter with a capital E, close your curly brackets apostrophe and close your bracket. So this code is just basically the auto typing code. So send keys dot send text box 2 dot text. So whatever the user types in text box 2 dot text, which is this one, it'll auto type it. Alright, so now we're going to code this bit here, which is they can set how many seconds they want in between every time the text appears. So we're going to double click start and we are going to type in timer 1 dot interval equals text box 1 dot text and then timer 1 dot start. Okay, so this code here is saying that the interval for timer 1, after text box dot text, go shift 8 to make an asterisk, then 1000, and this is saying whatever in text box 1, times it by 1000, which is which will make it into these seconds. So if you write 5 in this box, so every 5 seconds the text will appear. It's hard to explain, I'll demonstrate later. Alright, so that's that code there. And stop code, timer 1 dot stop, timer 1 dot stop. This is just stopping the timer, which will stop the auto typing. So that's all done there. It's just a simple tutorial on timers, I guess, and how the intervals work. Let's go and start the program. So I'm going to send text every second. So type whatever you want, set how many every second you want, open Notepad, or if you're on web browser or whatever, anything that can accept text input, it'll work. So click start and click wherever in the text. And as you can see, it'll start auto typing. Good for spam. Nah, don't use it for spam. Press stop, it'll stop it. We can set it every 3 seconds. Change the text. Start, click wherever. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can see every 3 seconds it is doing it. Just gonna go ahead and stop that. So that's basically an auto typer. This tutorial was helpful. Comment below, tell me if it worked. If you liked it, go ahead and subscribe for more tutorials, and yeah, thanks for watching.